Hi, friends. It is so nice to see you here. Wow, words really are everywhere. I love to collect them so I can connect to them. I wonder what today's special word is. Let's see. S-H-A-R-E. Can you guess what that spells? Share. Let's say it together. Share. 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 Wow. When I say the word share, my body feels so many different feelings. I'm sure yours does too. I wonder why we feel those feelings. Let's connect to the word share. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Oopa. Hey, I hear that today the word is share.
It is. Wow, words spread fast. What does the word share make you think about?
Makes me think about this clay.
Clay? Why?
Well, because it's fun to play with and work with, but it would be more fun if I could share it with you. Want some?
I'd love that. What are you making?
I'm making some little birds. I'd love to show you how.
Oh, I'd love to learn.
All right, so just roll it into a ball first, and then roll it and then go front and back until you get like a big fat worm. Good.
Okay.
So let's use yours this way.
Okay.
This will be the head, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna pinch up the head. Yeah, and then just pull up the back. Good. And then pinch the nose. And look, we've got two birds.
A bird and a worm. Oh no, I feel like it's a bird.
It is a bird.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. And now you can share it with somebody else.
I cannot wait to share. Okay, friends, now that we understand the word share in our minds, it's time to get up and connect the word share to our bodies. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, Lisa, you're gonna stand over here and I'm gonna stand over here. Bring your arms out to the side. Make sure you have enough room. So maybe you want to scoot back a little bit, Lisa. Just like that. Circle your arms around. Now bring them back down. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Inhale and exhale. I'm going to say the word share. Repeat it after me. Share.
Share.
Okay, we're going to share a movement today. Bring your hand out to the side. Link up with your neighbor. If you don't have a neighbor, put your hand on the wall or an imaginary friend. Now bring your leg up. Try to bring your foot on your knee or even your ankle, whatever makes you feel good. Now push into your neighbor's hand and bring your arm out to the side. That's it. That's a good job, Lisa. Now lift up your chest. Try to stand tall. Okay, let's hold this for 5 seconds. 5, nice balancing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, lower down. Okay, we're gonna share our spaces. You're gonna come over here and I'm gonna come over there.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's do it again. We're gonna bring our hands out to the side. Now try to press into each other's hand a little bit more. Okay, stand up tall. That's it. Now bring your leg up, bring your foot onto your leg. Can you press your leg together? Try to find that balance. Okay, you're ready. Bring your arm up. Hold right here. Hold it for 5. You want to share a count with me? Count with me, Lisa. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, lower down. All right, you ready to do that again?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a deep breath in. Inhale and exhale. I'm going to say the word share. Repeat it after me. Share.
Share.
Okay, we're ready. Bring your hand out to the side. Push into your neighbor. They can handle it. Now bring your foot onto your leg just like that. Now bring your arm out to the side. Stand up tall. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Now we know where we're going. You want to hop over and I hop that way?
All right.
Okay, switch spots, everyone. Whoa, nice hop. Okay, now bring your hand out to the side. Push into your neighbor's hand. Now bring your foot onto your leg, just like that. Stand up tall. Now bring your arm out. Hold right here. Try to count with me. Do it, everyone. Let's do it for 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
Yeah, lower down. Okay, we're done. Let's have a seat. Sharing that movement was really enjoyable.
It was so much fun. Thank you for sharing your time with me, Oopa.
Thanks for connecting today, Lisa. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Lisa shared her clay with me, and I made a bird. It's great when we can share what we have. I shared my space with her. I wonder what the word share makes you think about. Thanks for connecting with me. Bye.